I've now selected my VOR and my approach. I'm putting more flaps because I need to reduce speed. As you can see here, we are now locked onto single CH, which stands for auto land. I can actually engage COM2 or ask my man to do so. Select command B. He's just not listening to me at the moment, so I'll have to do everything by myself. Never mind.
Check.
Oh. I'm on my glide slope. I've got exactly flaps 5 at the moment. Gear down.
Gear down.
Still going too fast. I cannot lose. I don't seem to be able to lose speed. After all, we know that these 737s are very, very slippery. They don't like to descend very fast. Anyway, we're getting now to around about 193. About 193. Is 188. We need to reduce our speed to exactly 149. No wonder he was going fast. My fault. I didn't reduce the speed. I'm so used to this auto pilot doing all the stuff that when I forget that when I'm doing a vector, I need to do that by myself. So I need to select speed 149, which I have now done. Here it is. I'm now waiting for the speed to come down, and then ask for flaps. Flaps 30.
Speedbird 903, contact tower 118.7.
Tower on 118.7. Tower Speedbird 903, 5 mile final runway 05.
Speedbird 903, tower runway 05, winds 030 and 8.
Roger, Speedbird 903.
Now I can see there is wind.
Speedbird 903, runway 05, clear to land.
Clear to land, Speedbird 903, ground on 124.22.
And for this one, I'm going to take off the airspeed brakes, and I'm going to let the auto land do the job. I just want to watch how smoothly it will do it. I'm not even daring to touch anything because this is my first full flight without any problems. I don't want that to occur now. So here we go. We can see that we're coming towards 2,000 feet from ground, so we're probably very close at the moment. Let's watch the plane.
Okay.
The flaps are set to 30, I believe.
1,000.
Flaps are set to 30. Yes, they are. Here they are. I can see the runway straight ahead of me. I'm gonna go and look at it from the outside.
500 feet.
Yeah. Checked. Here we go. Here's our baby. Here's the control tower. Watching us coming.
Full, up. Sync rate.
What does he say?
Glide slow.
Excellent.
50. Glide slow. 20. 10.
Speed brakes up.
Reverse thrust. Auto brake is going to do the job. I'm now
Reverse green.
resuming my view so I can see where I'm going.
$60 knots.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take the next exit. Let's take up the flaps. $35 knots.
Speedbird 903. Turn up at the next high speed and hold. Contact ground 124.22 when runway is clear.
This rudder is still doing.
Ground, Speedbird 903 at India 5.
Speedbird 903. Ground. Taxi to the ramp.
I don't know what the ramp is. That's the beauty. I'm gonna have to just taxi around until I find it. Never mind.
Check. Taxi to the ramp. Roger, Speedbird 903.
Where am I going? I'm not watching, am I? I better take this, keep this screen on. Opla, opla, opla. This rudder is crazy. Look, I'm just merely touching it. Merely. Okay, getting the angle of this now, but it's not
Check.
exactly the east. Now, don't know what the heck this ramp is, but I guess it's probably going to be let's see where we are now. I guess this will be the ramp. That's the control tower watching us coming. And we're gonna have to turn exactly here. Maximum speed for turning is on the ground is 10 knots. I'm doing about 10 now. Good job there's nobody around today. My taxing is not as good as it should be. Getting better, getting better. This rudder is very difficult to handle.
Approach checklist complete.
Oh, now you're coming. Roll out.
Check.
Start APU.
Starting APU.
Look at that. It does nothing and then suddenly Bingo. Then I have to wash my wheels. Okay for cleanup. Is the APU online?
Cabin crew, doors may be opened.
Let's toggle up to the overhead panel. And let's check if the APU is on. APU is on. Switches. That should be on both. Let me see it. The dim light went off. The position stroke can be steady because we're going to turn off the.
Cabin crew, disarm slides.
Oh, there you go.
Ready for shutdown.
Alright, I'll do it. One and two. Secure aircraft.
Stand by. I'm ready for the checklist.
Securing aircraft checklist.
IRSs, off. Emergency exit lights, off. Window heat, off. Packs, off. Securing aircraft checklist complete.
1, 2, 3 strikes. You got my attention. Listening, holding assigned altitudes, and flying the route you file seem to give you trouble. Everyone can have a bad day, I know, and no one problem by itself would raise anyone's eyebrows, but there's more than that going on here. You'll be alright. Just try to pay better attention to what you're doing next time. Looking forward to it.
Well, so much for my good intentions. I think I only missed by seconds my altitude. By seconds, literally nothing, 20 seconds. It is very, very, very sensitive. This radar contact won't let you off. It just simply will not let you off anything. I guess after having trained on these systems, one can really fly for real. I guess you could, because I don't think radar contacts, ATC and control towers and all the rest of it will ever be so particular about people. In any case, you can talk to them, you can tell them, unable, you can verify things, which is something that you cannot do with radar contact. Unfortunately, this is a pre-recorded system. It's a wonderful system, it's an excellent way of training, but it has its limitations. Having said so, our aircraft is safely landed. As I said, I did do an auto land this time. Normally I would just take command at about 1,000 feet from the ground. Maximum I would wait until 500 feet. Today I didn't want, it was my first complete flight without interruptions, and I did not want to screw up at the very end. So I allowed my beautiful machine, my beautiful 747-800 automatic landing to take over and do it for me. Now we got something we can watch again. We're going to see it. We're going to record the various stages of the landing so we can have different angles, and for the time being I'm going to stop this recording and go to the previews. So here we go.